God is saying to you today, when something happens in someone's life and when they worry about it, you will say to them, you do not have to worry about anything. Trust God. God has a plan for you. If God allows something to happen in your life, then it is for your good. But when it comes to your life, will you do without hearing from others what you had said to them in your life? Like when something happens in your life, what will you do? Will you first worry by facing it, or will you first trust me by facing it? Just think about it. Faith in me is what you need more. Type yes if you believe on those